Today is day one of helping you ace your chemistry final or your AP Chem exam. So today we are going to cover how to easily convert between pH, pOH, and the concentrations for hydronium and hydroxide. So I have a little nifty chart here if you want to take a screenshot of it. But I'm going to show you some tricks on how to actually remember the relationship between these different values. So if you see something that has a P in front of it, pH, pOH, pKa, pKb, what that means is that you took the negative log of the value that is next to the P. Meaning if you have pH, that means you took the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration or hydronium, whichever value, or it's the same value, but whichever one you use for that. If you have pOH, that means you took the negative log of the OH concentration. And then this isn't listed here, but if you have pKa or pKb, that means you took the negative log of the Ka or the Kb. Now to undo these, so to get the hydronium or hydrogen ion concentration from the pH, you just need to undo that negative log. So you would do 10 to the negative pH to get the hydronium ion concentration or the hydrogen ion concentration. Because doing 10 to the negative power of that value undoes that log, and then the negative is because you took the negative log. And if you're trying to go from pOH to OH concentration, you need to do 10 to the power of the negative pOH to undo that negative log. Now this top one students tend to remember pretty well, which is pH plus pOH equals 14, so that's how you can go between those two. But we also get that from the kW. So the kW at 25 degrees Celsius, remember the kW can change based on the temperature. The kW equals the hydronium or hydrogen ion concentration plus the hydroxide ion concentration, or not plus, multiplied by the hydroxide ion concentration. So that's how you can go between those two. So if I were to recommend, you can go different routes to get to different values. So if you were given pOH and they asked for the hydronium ion concentration, I would say go from the pOH to the pH, then to the hydronium ion concentration, because you're going to make less mistakes the less complicated values that you have, if that makes sense. Make sure that you take a screenshot of